All right, I've got a boat needing to travel south at a speed of 20 kilometers an hour. So I'll represent that by a vector that points straight down. And this is going to be my 20 kilometers an hour. So notice this isn't 20 kilometers, this is representing my speed. So how many hours I go would dictate how far I actually went. But we're using this vector to represent how fast we're going and what direction. So this is our resultant vector. This is what we want to happen because that's what we need to do. So we want to start here and end down here. We've got a constant current, 6 kilometers an hour, flowing from the southeast. So if we think about our directions, we've got south down here and east here. So if it's flowing from the southeast, it's flowing this way. That's not a very straight line. So flowing this direction from the southeast, starting from the southeast going that way. And that's going to be 6 kilometers an hour. So I'm going to point it this direction, and it's southeast, so 45 degrees would be that angle. Coming from here is going to be my 45 degrees. And this should be 6, so about 1/3 of this. Maybe I've made it a bit too long. And we're flowing this direction. So then here's where I start, here's where I end. This is going to be the way my boat actually goes. So here's my boat. So I'll start, add the current, end up with the boat actually traveling this way. All right, if we know this was 45 from our sort of straight north, then that means that we've got a matching 45 here. So this total is 135. So that means I can find the speed of the boat using cosine rule. So x squared is 20 squared plus 6 squared minus 2, 26. Cosine of 135 is going to be negative root 2 over 2. All right, I can simplify this. I'm going to get my x is approximately 24.6. So if kilometers per hour. So if my boat was going in still water, this would be its equivalent speed. The direction I'm heading, well, here's my north direction. So I could say that I'm heading, here's my angle. We've got theta. And so to think about this direction, we could say that we're headed south and then however many degrees to the east. So we're pointed south and then we go some amount to the east. That's my theta. So I could use sine rule for this because now I know this length. So I could use sine of 135 over my x value is equal to sine of theta over 6. Solving this, I know this is root 2 over 2, but if I'm going to put it in my calculator, I could put it all in my calculator anyhow because I'll be using this previous value for my x. So you should get that your theta is approximately 9.93 degrees. So we would travel south 9.93 degrees east. So mostly going south and then shifting 9.93 degrees east.